A home workout plan that doesn't just transform your body, it heals your heart too. Sometimes we don't skip workouts because we're lazy. We skip them because we're tired on the inside. Our heart feels heavy, our mind feels drained, and our body refuses to move. But remember, one small step taken in the silence of your home can change your entire life. Starting today, give just 15 minutes for yourself, for your health, for your peace. This plan will lighten your body and your emotions. 7-day home workout plan. Day 1, full body. Warm up 10-12 minutes, 30 sec. March in place 30 sec. Arm circles 30 sec. Side steps 30 sec. Deep breathing message. You showed up today and that is the hardest step. Be proud. Day 2, fat. Burning cardio 15 minutes, 30 sec. Jumping jacks 30 sec. High knees 30 sec. Step back lunges repeat. 3 rounds message. It's okay to pause when you're tired, just don't quit. Day 3, core and belly fat 12 minutes, 20 sec. Plank 20 sec. Leg raises 20 sec. Mountain climbers repeats. 3 rounds message. Your weak moments don't define you, your courage does. Day 4, legs and lower. Body 15 minutes, 12 squats, 12 glute bridges. 12 side leg lifts repeat. 3 rounds message. What breaks you today will build you tomorrow. Day 5, arms and chest. 10 minutes, 10 push-ups or knee. Push-ups 15 wall. Push-ups 20 arm. Circles repeat 3. Rounds message. The pain you feel today will become your strength tomorrow. Day 6, slow. Workout plus relaxation 12 minutes. Stretching, deep breathing. Light mobility exercises. Message. Sometimes it's not the body that's tired, it's the soul. Let it rest. Day 7, full body flow 10 minutes. Light cardio easy. Squats core activation. Breathing cool down message. You are not the same person you were 7 days ago. You moved forward. If no one has told you this before, then hear it today. You are enough. You are capable, and you can change. These few minutes of home workout don't just transform your body, they transform your mindset, your energy, your life. Just promise yourself one thing: never give up on you